Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn CSIT. Today, we are going to discuss a simple and fun graphics programming question from C programming. Write a program to draw to shapes of your choice using graphics functions. In C, graphics can be implemented using the graphics.h header file, which provides various built-in functions to draw shapes like circles, rectangles, polygons, and lines. Before using these functions, we must first initialize the graphics mode using the initGraph function and close it at the end using classograph. Let's take two examples here, the circle and a hexagon. First program, drawing a circle. In this program, we include graphics, h greater than along with stereo, h greater than Anconio, h. Inside the main function, we declare int gd equals detect, gm, to automatically detect the graphics driver. Then, we call initGraph ngd, ngm, c, turboc3 bgi. To initialize the graphics mode, the circle 200, 250 function draws a circle with center coordinates 200,000, 200 and radius 50. Finally, Getch waits for a key press and classograph closes the graphics window. Second program, drawing a hexagon. Similarly, in the hexagon program, we define an array of coordinates. Int poly equals 10, 75, 50, 25, 100, 25, 140, 75, 100,000, 125, 50, 125, 10, 75. These coordinates represent the 6 corners of a hexagon. Then we use drawpoly 7, poly, to draw the shape and fill poly 7, poly, to fill it. These graphics functions help visualize shapes easily and are very useful for beginners learning how computer graphics work in C. That's all for today. 2 simple programs using graphics.h to draw a circle and a hexagon. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Learn CSIT for more C programming tutorials and question paper solutions.